Columbia snowplow truck drivers will work 12-hour shifts around the clock until they get the streets cleared. One driver got stuck at the corner of Garth and Leslie, while another got stuck in the 1900 block of Jackson Street on the city's west side. I-70 towing truck driver Travis Wilson responded to dozens of calls on highways, county roads, and city streets, including this call involving a Columbia police car.
Car stuck in a ditch, stalled cars, we got tractor trailers and semis stuck. People try to go up hills and it just doesn't work out in the snow.
Thunder snow lit up the skies of Columbia throughout the day. Roy Benson remembers hearing thunder during a snowstorm 2 years ago.
When it thunders and it's snowing, it's going to snow heavy, which, as you can see right now, it sure is.
MU students didn't go to class today. Instead, they played in the snow. MU Chancellor Brady Deaton made the rare decision to shut down the Mizzou campus because of the weather. The last time that happened was during the blizzard of February 2011. Columbia firefighters responded to more than a dozen injury accidents. Columbia police responded to dozens of fender benders as traffic came to a complete stop in some locations. Mark Slavitt, KRCG 13, Columbia.
Car stuck in a ditch, stalled cars, we got tractor trailers and semis stuck. People try to go up hills and it just doesn't work out in the snow.